Welcome to my channel. How to set up your Wi-Fi printer on iPhone. Step 1. Unbox and power on the printer. First, unbox your printer and power it on. Ensure it's connected to your Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Connect printer to Wi-Fi network. Access the printer's menu and find the Wi-Fi settings. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password to connect. Step 3. Download printer app. Download the printer's official app from the App Store. Step 4. Open the printer app and add printer. Open the app, then follow the prompts to add your new printer. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your printer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This may include selecting the printer model and confirming the connection. Step 6. Test print. Once setup is complete, test the printer by sending a print job from your iPhone. Go to a document or photo, tap Print, and select your printer. Step 7. Troubleshooting. If needed, if you encounter issues, make sure your printer and iPhone are on the same network, and try restarting both devices. And that's it. Your Wi-Fi printer is now set up and ready to go. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.